Big changes are coming to how one Iowa city handles flooding, and it starts with a scale model made at the University of Iowa. What you're looking at is a working version of a new pump station built at 1/7 the size of the full one. The real station will move water from a Dubuque Creek over a levee and into the Mississippi River, but only when the river is running higher than the creek. Cities along the river, like Dubuque, regularly deal with flooding and the resulting damages. Engineers say this station will help keep that area of the city safe in severe storms.
I think as communities continue to address all the flooding that continues to happen in Iowa, a lot of that due to the increasing intensity of rainfall events that we've seen. I think it's can be a good solution to help reduce the amount of urban flooding that happens.
Construction on the final station started this summer. Once it's done, it will double the city's pumping capacity compared to the old system.